For this bath melt, we're going to use cocoa butter as our base because it's very soothing and soft on your skin. So we'll need 3 ounces of cocoa butter, 1.5 ounces of coconut oil, and some beautiful calendula and chamomile flowers with optional essential oils. As you can see, I created a double boiler system and I put in the cocoa butter and coconut oil, and I am just letting them melt slowly. Now we are ready to pour our bath melt into these paper molds. The paper molds are into a stable dish, so we can actually transfer them easily into the fridge. Now that we've poured it into the molds, we're going to add some flowers. Bath melts are small bars made with moisturizing body butters and dry flowers. They are tossed into a hot bath to melt, resulting in a fragrant and skin-softening bath time experience.